Hello guys, you're all welcome once again. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this particular fly. As you can see, I'll be showing you how to create it from beginning to the end. So guys, we'll first of all have our default background. For getting our default background, we'll make sure we import a background which we would like to use. And this is the background I'm talking about. We're going to use this background. So I want you to pay much attention. You drag it and make sure it has full the whole this. And after that, you make sure you lock it. You tap here to lock it. When you lock it, we are going to import another one again. You tap on the addition background to take it out, and you tap on. You look for another background. We're going to add another background to it. Make sure that our work looks very compelling. So use this background. We'll copy it like this. You tap on the one ratio. So you mark it and you now what are you going to do next? You look for erase color. Erase color. Is it? Tap on it. And then you enable it. After enabling it, make sure you select this particular. You are going to pick. So if you're going to pick a color, you have to tap here, this particular icon. Tap, and then you select this color, as you can see on your screen, and then you mark. After marking, you can see that all the color has been taken off. So you mark everything, and then go back to color. Go back to one color. So once you enable color, it will change to red. So when it changes to red, you drag and look for white. When you get the white, you mark it, and then you look for opacity. Opacity, you tap on opacity and reduce it to somewhere around, let's say around 10. Okay. So after all that, you make sure you lock it again. You will go to the top right hand side, and then you tap there, lock it, and tap there again. And it will take you out of that place. So the next thing we are going to do here is to look for the shape which we are going to use. This is the shape we are going to use. You tap on title is cycle shape, and then you make sure you use your hand properly to enlarge the shape up to the level in which you want. So I want my shape to be like this. So after I've gotten a shape like this, what is next? You drag and you look for 3D shape. 3D shape. There's it. 3D shape. And enable it. After enabling it, scroll it up. Can you see that? You see simulate lightning, and then you on enable it. You tap on it on enable it. After that, you mark it and go back. So when you go back, you look for 3D rotate. 3D rotate. So you tap on 3D rotate, and then make sure you increase the x-axis up to 40, 45, or let me say 40, 40. Due to my shape, I will use 40, 44. After that, I'll mark it. After marking it, I'll now drag it down, and also make sure make use of the relative position. This one, the relative position. Tap on the top middle one. Okay. After that, you make use of position to drag it down small. After that, what is the next thing? You make sure you copy it and make that one smaller than the first one. So also make use of the relative position, right? After making use of the relative position, let me increase it small a little bit. After doing that, you mark and copy it again. Reduce the size to be smaller than the second one too. Reduce the size and make use of relative position. I hope you are following. Hope you are following. That is it. So absolutely, this is how we get the template for here. So the next thing we are going to do is to make sure we lock those shapes. Tap at the right, as you can see. Tap there, lock and unlock it. So now the next thing we are going to do is to import our drinks, our juice. We're going to import our juice. There is it. I've already taken out the background. So as you can see, you can make sure you place it very well. Use relative position to place it. I hope you're following. I hope you guys can see. Let me reduce it small. Sorry. And also lock it. Locking it, you import another image we're going to use, and this is that one. You mark it and you rotate it. You rotate it. So you rotate it. I hope you guys can see. After rotating it, you also make sure you lock that one too, and also import another image. Another image. You make sure you get it half wide. You crop half, and then reduce the size. I hope you can see. So we are absolutely done. So what is the next thing we are going to do? The next thing is to make sure we type in the information. So you make use of this particular place, the A sign, and then you begin to type. So we are typing orange, capital orange juice. So juice. Today you mark it, you drag it here. Look for a line and tap on the middle one. I hope you're following. Tap on the middle one. So after that, you select the font you're going to use. You select the font you're going to use. So we are going to use, go to my phone, I'm going to use, I didn't just want to type, but if it's delaying, I'll type. I wanted to show you everything. I think I've bypassed that font. Okay, we are going to use, sorry, let me type. Cookie, the first one. That is what we are going to use. I hope you can see that. So after changing into this font, you make sure you copy it. You make sure you copy it. After copying it, bring back your layer to the other one. After you bring up your layer, you look for color. So when you come to color, you make the color transparent. Sorry, let me show you. So you tap here, the plus sign. When you tap the plus sign, you see the third one. You make sure you drag that one to the last. I hope you can see that. So after dragging it, you now mark and look for stroke. So you come to your stroke, enable it, and you change the stroke color to white. After changing it to white, you increase the width of it. I hope you are absolutely seeing that. So you make it at 50, 45 rather. So after 45, what is the next thing we are going to do? You now come here and change the color to red and drag it into this. So I hope you can see it now. I hope you can absolutely see it now. Let me reduce this once more. Okay, make sure we lock it once again. Lock this one too, and merge the juice together. I've already taught you how to merge, so you can go back to the previous video and then learn how to merge. I've merged it. I've absolutely merged it. And use relative position, the top middle one. Top middle one. I hope somebody is learning something. So After this, what is the next thing? You go in to type again, rich in vitamin C. The first letters of a word, capital. So absolutely, that is it. And you can look for a font. So I will decide that we should use. Hmm, which one should I use? Okay, let's use Bulgar Sound Bold. Bulgar, Bulgar sounds bold, and also change the color to red. No, let me change to black. Black will be okay. So black. Let's change the font. The font is too big. We'll use Bulgar Sound. Bulgar Sound, the smaller latest one. I mean this one, not the bold. And we'll also make sure we reduce it and position it well. Drag it down small. Basically, that is it. You can design something like this. So I want you to watch the video carefully and also do yours. And I know for sure that you're gonna become perfect. Thank you.